YouTubers, welcome to another episode of VGL Tech. What came in this time is another backpack. It's the KeySmart backpack. They also make keychains where you can put a whole bunch of keys onto one little holder, and you can just flip them out whenever you need them. So they made a backpack and it seemed very interesting. So I went ahead and ordered the backpack with the combo kit. So let's get started. As you can see, it's red. Let's see what's in here. This is the backpack. Got some other stuff in here. Okay. So these are all the items that came in with the kit. And like always, I'll put a description into the description where you can buy it. You can buy the kit, and if there's any coupons, I'll also coupon codes or something, I'll also apply that to the description. As you see here, came with a KeySmart water bottle. Just like any water bottle, stainless steel, leak proof, double wall vacuum, BPA free, hand wash only with hot soapy water, rinse and dry. It's supposed to has a vacuum chamber inside that keeps your water really cold, or it keeps your water really hot, or whatever you're drinking. So there you go, you have this. This also comes with a KeySmart portable charger. It has 2.1 amps for high-speed charging, and this is a 10,000 milliamp battery. As you can see here, you have the USB output 5-volt battery indicator and high-speed USB output. You can charge your smartphone, small tablet, or a large tablet. Let's see what this looks like. Comes with your typical charging cable to charge the battery. So as you can see here, has a KeySmart name brand on here. Not sure what this button is for. I think this button is to turn it on and off. Yeah. Oh, battery indicator, charger, typical power bank. It's a little bit heavy, but there you have it, the KeySmart power bank side. The combo also comes with a slim tile, which is, you probably know, is where you can stick it on anything or put it in anything and you'll be able to track it down. So you would put this inside the backpack. It's a lot slimmer than it first when it first came out. So you can ring it. So here you can meet tile slim. See it, ring it, find your phone, attach it to anything. The adhesive is sold separately, but you can put it in anywhere. Next you have just I believe this is the rain cover. Yep, looks like it. This is the rain cover for your backpack, in case there is any rain. As you can see here, put it over your backpack. KeySmart logo, and then assume you would just attach it to the backpack itself. Next you have the pocket accessory organizer. You see here, there is a magnetic flap. You can put an iPad, card pocket, Velcro, pins, zipper pockets. So let's take a look. Oh, see, it has a magnet right here, so hold your iPad, magnetic strap, zipper pockets right here, just like I mentioned, Velcro right here, hold pins, pins pocket, Velcro easy lock system, Velcro right here too, so we have that. So let's get to the main item, which is the backpack itself. Here you go, you have the KeySmart backpack. I didn't even know they made a backpack until I actually went to their website. I thought they were just only doing keys. But the backpack seemed very interesting, so that's why I decided to get one. And as you can see here, it's like just your average size backpack. Where should we go? Let's see. We have this looks like a magnetic clasp. It's a magnetic clasp to hold across your chest. We have like this is what I wanted to test out, was the mesh. Not a lot of backpacks like a mesh type for the back, so it seems pretty comfortable. So let's get started here. Okay, this gives you a little pattern here that says it gives you this description. You have a shockproof pocket right here. You can hold up to a 15-inch MacBook. You have magnetic buckles. These are apparently magnetic buckle. See, not bad. And then here you can put your tile right here. So if anybody ever lose it, you can put the tile in here. Right here, you will put the tile, as you can see here. This is where you will put the tile. So if you lose your backpack, you can easily find it. And I'll put this find with tile, so it's interesting. Okay, so let's see. First you have a pocket right here. Big enough to hold, I think it's big enough to hold an iPad mini or other gadgets or notebooks. You have a pocket down here also. Pocket down here, and then you have a clip right here, which I will, you know what, let's go ahead. And I believe that clip is for the rain cover clip. So what you would do is you would attach here. Oh, right, actually, where's the clip at? So the clip in here for the rain cover. Oh, it's up here at the top. So what I believe you would do is, seems like you would attach it here, the top of your bag. Attach it down here, and then just clip it right here. There you have it. Waterproof bag. So it's a waterproof cover. So there you go. And then if you're not using it, you can just stuff it back in here. I'm pretty sure that's what this bottom pocket is for. It's you can use it to stuff this bag in here, or you can use it to stuff other hidden items. But let's go ahead and stick this bag in here. And zip it up. And there you go. Let's go back to the tile. Let's see, we open up the tile in here. And as you can see, you have these metal clasps right here. Open that side up. Magnetic clasp, sorry, not metal. Open it up, and then you would just stick the tile in here. And there you go. Okay, so now that we have this open, let's see, you can see there's some mesh right here. Looks like you could stick iPads right here, you can stick magazines right here, you can stick all sorts of items right here. And then you would just do the magnetic clasp and lock it back in. And you can pull it out easily. So let's go to the next pocket, which is the shockproof. Let's see, open this up right here. That's up right here. See, here goes the little KeySmart emblem that I'm talking about, where you would attach keys. You could put it right here. Seems like you could put your wallet in here because it has RFID blocking also. You can put other items in here, and right here you put like your sunglasses. Looks like you put sunglasses in here. You put sunglasses and all sorts of stuff that if you're worried about it getting crushed, because it's pretty hard right here, pretty hard right here, so you literally have to jump on it to crush it. So let's zip that up. Not bad, not bad. Zip that up. Let's leave this unzipped. Here you have two pockets also. To hold the water bottle. Hold the water bottle and hold other items. Next you have the main compartment. As you can see here, they did it to where it covers up the zippers, so you literally have to unfold this to get access to zippers. I think they did it for if there's any thieves or something. And then just fold it back up again to cover it. So if a thief wanted to do the zipper, they would actually have to unfold this and unzipper it without you noticing it. So inside, pretty spacious inside. Looks like you can hold a lot of stuff in here. Easy lock right here, and I believe this is where the you can put a tablet right here. It's a laptop right here, paperwork right here. But I believe this goes for the easy lock. This goes right here, and you would lock it like that. And there you have your other case. And as you can see here, this is the hard case. And there is an opening at the top right here, I believe, to stick like a charger or something. Where you could stick the charger in here. Let's unzipper this. Unzipper this up. And you could stick the power bank in here. And then, since I have a note, could stick as you can see here. Charging case in there, and there you have it. It seems pretty roomy. A lot of pockets. A lot of pockets to hold items, you hold gadgets. Could be like a one-day trip type thing. You have a pocket right here. Oh, this is for the, not a pocket actually. This is to hold the suitcase if you want to put on your suitcase. You also have one more thing right here, which is a hidden pocket. You could store your passport, your tickets, or cash, or your wallet. So there's no way anybody can access this if you're wearing your backpack. And you can't even tell that the pocket's even there. So I'm gonna test this out. Hopefully it's comfortable as the website made it seem like. We shall see. But there you have it. Let me zipper this back up. Let me zipper this back up. Make it look nice and neat. With everything attached to it. There you go. There you go. And there you have the KeySmart. Oop, sorry, slid down. And there you have the KeySmart backpack. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave comments and please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.